Hey, so in this quick example, I'm going to show you how to use the HLOOKUP function to pull out sales data for Q3 2023 for speakers. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the HLOOKUP function. So in our function bar, we're going to go equals HLOOKUP. And then what we're going to do is we're going to define our search key, and that's going to be E2 for Q2 of 2020, Q3 of 2023. Then what we're going to do is select our range, which is all the data we want to search in. So you can see I'm highlighting the whole table here. Next, what we're going to do is search our index, and that's what row we want to pull the data back from. So in this case, speakers is the fifth row from the top. So we're going to press 5 here. And then what we want is an exact match. So we're going to just finish the function off with false at the end and close brackets. And we can see here that the sales of speakers were 42 in Q3 of 2023. If we want to change this to, let's say, smartphones, we can change our index value here to whatever row smartphones is, and that's the third one. And we can see here that that changes to 210 if we just moved the index key up to smartphones. So that's how we use the HLOOKUP function in Google Sheets.